Don't know if you have any hearing problems? Watch this video and let's find out.
We have to have a meeting about our next group presentation.
Right. When are you free?
I come to school on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays.
I am here on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. So either Wednesday or Thursday would work. How about Thursday afternoon then?
On Thursdays, I have lectures until 4 p.m. I can make it after economics class, but then I have to be at work at 5 o'clock.
It looks very nice on you, and it fits perfectly.
Yeah, it fits, but I usually wear plain colors. I'm not used to this kind of a pattern.
Well, I think you look great.
Yeah? Still, it would take some courage for me to actually wear this.
Hello, how can I help you?
Oh, hi. I was at your restaurant for lunch today, and I think I left my scarf there.
You left your scarf at the table? Do you remember where you were seated?
Well, it was in the back of the restaurant.
Were you in the smoking area or the non-smoking area?
The non-smoking area.
How big was your table?
It was a table for 4 people.
Okay, I'll go check. Please wait for a moment.